Okay, so Joanna's grandmother, Pamela Gordon, Miss Pam, wrote in to highlight the wonderful and supportive work of her son, Joel, in designing one of her granddaughter's outfits from recycled and repurposed materials for Granville Primary's first beauty pageant. So we invited Joanna Gordon Blake and her father, Joel Gordon Blake, to share their story with us this morning. Good morning to you both. It's good to have you.
Good morning.
Congrats, Mini Miss Granville.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm okay.
How does it feel to wear the tiara and the sash?
Very good and proud.
Oh, Dad, how do you feel?
I'm so proud of her.
Yeah. Tell me what kind of young lady she is. She's very precocious.
She's very manners-able, and she's an honor-roll student, and she makes me proud in every which way, and I try to be as supportive of her in everything that she does.
What kind of dad is he, Joe?
He's a very good dad.
Have a good relationship?
Yes.
Can talk to him about stuff?
Yes, and he's very creative, and like if I have projects, he'll like do it for me.
How old are you now?
I am 10 years old.
10. So tell me a little bit about this pageant. Here comes this pageant. What's expected of you at the pageant? There are some things that you had to do. They asked you some questions. You had to model.
Yes.
What else?
I had to model, and then they asked me the questions, and then can I please tell you my answer?
Yes, but wait, before you get to the answer, you also had to, you recited a poem.
Yes.
Did you write the poem yourself?
Yes.
What was the poem about?
So like it was about a Jamaican poem.
Okay. And one of the questions they asked you was, if you were prime minister for a day, what would you implement and why?
So I said I would start a program to give students free lunches because I believe no child should be hungry.
Wow. And is this because of what you see in your own school?
Yes.
Friends that you have who...
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So were you nervous at all, Miss? Were you nervous at all at the pageant? Are you nervous about anything?
No.
Oh my God, where did you get that from?
I don't know.
Just always been brave?
Yes.
Daddy? Is Daddy brave?
Yes.
Oh,
And
see,
Mommy as well.
Mommy
Mommy's a
is very-
teacher as well. She teaches grade 6 at Granville Primary as well.
I see. So she's at your school. So when you found out she was entering the pageant and the decision was made, you decided you are a graphic artist
Not by
profession,
trade.
by gifting.
Gifted. I went to Middlesex University in London. I studied graphic design. I came back to Jamaica here. I tried to find a job when I was here, but it didn't work out for me. I went off, I started my own business. I ventured off into tourism. After tourism, I'm now involved in real estate.
Oh.
So I have a lot of time for my kids.
Fantastic.
I have 3 kids, so
Fantastic.
I'm a hands-on dad.
Who are your other children? What are their names?
There's Josiah.
I know it was another J.
And then there's Joshua, Joanna.
Fantastic. J's all around.
All Jade and Joanna.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the dress. Jamaicans would say this is a frock. Very fancy. So, Dad, you decided you wanted to fit Joanna for this event. And this masterpiece took you 2 weeks
2 weeks.
to put together. So, tell me from start to finish how the design came about in your mind. And it's so pretty on you, Joanna.
Thank you.
And the materials you used to put it together, because this is not no typical dress.
Well, we started with the crocus bag then. That was easy
We
to
say
find.
burlap.
Well.
Fashion, burlap.
And
Yes, crocus bag.
the CDs was so hard to find. Because no one's using CDs anymore.
Yes.
The crown was made of zip ties, like tie straps for cars. And there's ropes as well. The shoes is made out of wood.
All shoes you're making up?
Yeah, man, everything.
No, but you're going with
Umbrella,
yourself.
everything, man.
So how did you feel wearing a dress that your father had designed?
I just feel that it was very creative, and I was very proud of my dad.
Did it give you an extra boost of confidence?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you first saw the dress, right? Because it's a different dress than any other pageant contestant would wear. So when you first saw the dress, what did you say to Dad?
I said, Daddy, really? Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Oh, wow. So daddy, you take our measurement and everything?
Everything. I got help from a designer who also was our sponsor. That's Crystal's Design in Falmouth. She made all the dress for her. She helped me with the sewing because I'm not a dressmaker. So she helped me with the sewing. We went down to the wire in the morning, folding up hundreds of papers.
I mean, how many pieces of paper is this, Joel?
About 2 at the big pack of the, it's a lot.
So is you and her alone?
Me and her mommy, it was a whole team effort.
My goodness gracious.
Right down to the wire, I'm telling you.
So when you saw her walking down the runway in it?
Over proud. Over proud.
Wow.
But she's my princess. She's very beautiful. That's how it is, you know.
And so what are your hopes and dreams for her?
In the future, she says she wants to practice in medicine. So just to support her in whatever she wants to do in life, I'm just going to be there and support her and my other kids.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Yes, because I love to help people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to be like a kiddies doctor or do you want to be a general doctor?
A general doctor.
It's a lot of schooling and a lot of time to study. What are your favorite subjects now?
My favorite subject is science and language arts and social studies.
Well, it's a favorite subject that, but once you're into the sciences, then you're good for the doctors. So now you wear the crown for, is it 1 year?
Yes.
Do you have a project or something that you're going to work on in the year as Mini Miss Granville?
A project?
Yes. Do you have a project that you're going to work on?
I don't understand it.
Is there so usually when beauty queens or queens win, they would have like a project that they're going to work on for a year that they choose.
We were talking about that the other day. See, like how we use the recycled materials, we were thinking about setting up some recycled drives and trying and cleaning up the area of Granville and the school as well. It was the first time we were keeping up pageant. I have to shout out to Miss Halstead that held the event. It was like a fundraiser for our outgoing principal, Mr. Gordon. We have a new principal as well, Miss Williams. And it's a whole team. As I said, we're all a part of the school. My wife teaches there as well. And
community.
It's a big community. If you know, we're a rural community. We all stick together and we all help out each other.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. And she's a shining example coming out of the community. Joanna, a lot of young people are watching this morning who don't have your confidence. Can you tell them how it is that you can be strong and believe in yourself and believe in your goals and make good things happen in your life?
Always believe in yourself and never listen to what others say. That's it.
Believe in yourself and don't listen to the noise.
Yes.
Expert advice. Your daughter is young, but she's wise. Thank you both very much. Such a cute and shining example of what father and daughter ought to look like. So thank you very much for being that example for her, Joanna Gordon-Blake, and her father, Joel Gordon-Blake. What's mommy's name?
Shani Carey.
Hi, mommy. Good morning. Wave to mommy. Wave to mommy. You guys are doing a fantastic job with this little young one. Coming up in the next half hour, we're celebrating Jamaica with the 7 Match the Can, but the second edition of News in 5 is next.